Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Matillion ETL for AWS data warehouses. Begin by signing in to your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Marketplace. In the search bar, type Matillion ETL and hit enter. Select the appropriate Matillion ETL version for your data warehouse, such as Amazon Redshift, Snowflake, or Google BigQuery. Review the product details, and then select Continue to Configuration. Choose your region where you want to deploy Matillion. Click on Continue to Launch. Select Launch from Marketplace. In the next screen, configure the settings for your EC2 instance. Choose your instance type according to your performance requirements. Specify the number of instances you need. Set the VPC settings and security groups for network access. Make sure to allow inbound traffic on the required ports, typically port 443 for secure connections. Scroll down to the Advanced Details section. Here, you can configure user data if needed, but it's optional. Review your choices and select Launch. After successfully launching your instance, navigate back to the AWS Management Console. Locate your EC2 dashboard and find the newly created Matillion ETL instance. Once it's in a running state, copy the public IP address. Open a new web browser tab and paste the public IP address into the address bar. Add the default port 443 at the end of the URL. Press Enter to access the Matillion ETL web interface. On the login page, enter the default credentials provided in the Matillion documentation. Change the default password to secure your installation. Once logged in, follow the setup wizard to connect to your data warehouse. Configure your data warehouse connection settings as required. After completing these configurations, you can start creating ETL jobs in Matillion. Explore the user interface to familiarize yourself with available features. You are now ready to use Matillion ETL for your AWS data warehouse projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.